Good morning, children. Welcome to biology session. Today's topic is soil microorganisms, that is soil fertility. We are going to discuss about soil microorganisms and soil fertility. About 78% of air around us is nitrogen gas, children. So plants need it mainly for synthesizing nutrients. What do you mean by synthesis? Synthesis is nothing but preparation of nutrients. But they cannot make it from the atmosphere directly. Microorganisms like rhizobium, nostoc, anabina, azotobacter. So these all are the microorganisms which help to provide this essential element known as nitrogen to the plants by absorbing them from atmosphere to form certain compounds and then fixing them into the soil that can be taken up by plants. So they are fixing the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil so that it could be taken by plants. Coming to nitrogen fixation, children. So the chemical processes by which atmospheric nitrogen is assimilated into organic compounds, especially by certain microorganisms as part of the nitrogen cycle. So this is nitrogen cycle, children. All the root nodules, just now I have shown the figure, rhizobium, see. So the rhizobium will be in the root nodules of legume plants. So in this way they will fix the nitrogen. This is known as nitrogen fixation. They will convert into some other compound and fix. Let's do an activity now. Rhizobium bacteria present in root nodules of leguminaceae plants fix nitrogen. So we will do an activity. Collect root nodules from groundnuts or beans or peep gram. Crush them into powder, children. So take little powder on a glass slide. Add 1 drop of water or oil, your wish. Observe it under the microscope, compound microscope. You keep that specimen on the slide, do the slide preparation, cover slip, everything you know. In the last classes we have discussed all these things, right? Yes. So observe under the microscope. Rhizobium bacteria are present in root nodules of bean family Leguminaceae. Rhizobium converts atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates and stored in roots. See, plants use the stored nitrates. Plants give shelter to rhizobium, children. So they cooperate one another, isn't it? One is getting benefited from the other. Such a corporate life is called as symbiosis, children. Interaction between two different organisms living in close physical association, typically to the advantage of both. See, rhizobium is getting shelter and plant is getting nitrate. That means nitrogen is converted to nitrate by nitrogen fixing bacteria rhizobium, right? So both are getting benefited. This process is known as symbiosis. Soil fertility increases in growing legume crops in the field. So farmers plow crop field along with legumes on the onset of monsoons. Okay. So soil fertility is nothing but it refers to the ability of soil to sustain agricultural plant growth, to provide plant habitat and result in sustained and consistent yields of high quality. What is habitat? Habitat is the place where the organism live. It might be plant or animal. And one more point. The microorganisms like fungi and bacteria present in the soil degrade biological waste in the soil into small compounds, some of which are essential for plants. That's it, children. So this is about nitrogen fixation. Now we are going to discuss a very important and interesting point about Bacillus thuringiensis. What is BT? Bacillus thuringiensis is the name of the bacteria. It produces toxins which kills pests, children. Pest is nothing but insect. The bacterium is used as biopesticide. In transgenic crop plants, like in dominating plants, this toxin producing gene was separated by the scientist from the bacterium and transferred into the crop plants so that genes will act as a biopesticide, right? So instead of Bacillus thuringiensis going to all the plants, they are extracting the genes from the Bacillus thuringiensis and they are introducing that to other crops. Hence they are becoming dominated because there is no pest involved in that crop, isn't it? So this can protect it from pests. For example, Bt cotton, that means they have introduced the genes of Bacillus thuringiensis to this plant. So it shows severe impact on plants and animals. Okay? This is about Bt cotton and Bt children. That's it. So I hope you understood the class. It's time for assignment. Write the hierarchy of classification of humans and legume plants. Hierarchy of classifications are 7 children. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Of humans, you search and write. And legume plants. Write the list of legume plants. Okay. Write a short notes on Bt. It is nothing but Bacillus thuringiensis. Write a detailed note on nitrogen fixation, children. Thank you.